Welcome to my Bake Escape. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video. For all of my Bake Escape subscribers, I am so sorry that I haven't posted much the last almost 2 months, but I am excited to share with you that I've been working on something special. Last September, I purchased a sourdough starter. I have never made sourdough bread before, and I was determined to make a delicious loaf. I was honestly tired of buying the highly processed bread from the store that never seemed to go bad no matter how long it sat on the counter. So I immersed myself in the process. I will admit I went into the process feeling confident, but I was humbled very quickly. Though the first several attempts were failures, I learned something each time and I was determined. I started following a wonderful microbaker, Macy Merlack, and her methods really helped make the process understandable and relatable. I have linked her channel in the description of this video, so head over and give her a follow. I started making beautiful, delicious sourdough loaves and I was hooked. I began experimenting with other recipes like English muffins, bagels, and inclusions like cheddar and jalapeno. I don't think I've ever shared, but I work full-time, so this channel and the content I create is all done in my spare time. I enjoy escaping into my kitchen to create delicious treats, and oftentimes I take what I make to my job and share with my coworkers. So once I began taking sourdough bread to work and received high praise and requests to order, I knew it was time to do something I have been dreaming about for years. Before the end of 2024, I applied for my cottage food permit so that I can start my very own microbakery business out of my home. So for the last few weeks, I have been researching, recipe testing, designing packaging, setting up an ordering platform, creating a website, all in an effort to launch my business. I'm sharing this with you because I plan on sharing my process and starting my own microbakery out of my home. I plan to create a playlist on my channel dedicated to all things microbakery, where I will share things like how I applied for my cottage food permit, what are the limitations of owning a home bakery, cost analysis of starting my microbakery, how to create a website, and so much more. I plan to release weekly videos to this playlist on Tuesdays. For those of you who have been loyal My Bake Escape followers, don't worry, I still plan on releasing baking tutorials regularly as well. So my plan for content this year is to post baking tutorials twice a month on Sundays, microbakery content each Tuesday, and of course I can't forget my food travel vlogs, which I will post once a month on the 4th Thursday of the month. I went to so many incredible places in 2024 and can't wait to share my experiences with you. We spent a few weeks in Los Angeles and went on 2 studio tours as well as the Getty Museum. We also went on a Dodger Stadium tour and ate delicious, famous flautas in downtown Los Angeles. We visited Xcaret, Mexico, where we enjoyed the lush jungle environment and delicious food. I took a quick weekend trip to Vegas where I relaxed, ate delicious sushi, and watched an incredible show. Around the holidays, we went on a Christmas-themed Disney cruise where we enjoyed wonderful entertainment, character meet and greets, and of course, delicious food. Then we enjoyed a character-themed holiday brunch at Goofy's Kitchen. I am traveling to lots of amazing places in 2025 and can't wait to share those experiences with you as well. So be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I release content. Also, please share in the comments what types of recipes would you like me to share. I'm open to suggestions and I need ideas. Thank you so much for following along and supporting my channel. I hope you have a wonderful 2025 full of love, laughter, good health, and of course, lots of sweet treats and delicious food. Thank you for watching and have a sweet day.